Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about another two basic Linux commands which will really useful when you are in Linux environment. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first command is copy command. CP command in Linux to copy files and directories from one location to another. First, I will create a source directory and a destination directory to demonstrate the command. I will create another directory inside the destination directory. Now let's navigate to source directory and create file using touch command named transfer.txt. Then open the file with VI editor and add some notes. Let's copy the transfer.txt file created in source directory to destination directory using CP command. Use CP space, source file path, space, and destination file path. Then, let's check if the copied file is in the destination directory using the ls command. You can also copy only the content of the file to a new file using CP command. Let's try it again. Use CP space, source file path, space, and destination file path. In here, if we provide a new name for destination file, it will automatically creates a file and copy the content to that file. Let's check with the cat command if the content copied as we expected. Now, let's edit the transfer.txt file in the source directory and change its content. Then, let's copy the file again to the newly created file. Finally, let's check the destination file with the cat command, and you will see that the content has been overwritten. Let's try copying multiple files at once now. First, let's go to the source directory and create three files: transfer_1.txt, transfer_2.txt, and transfer_3.txt, using the touch command. Next, let's copy all three files to the destination directory using the CP command. Use CP followed by the file name separated by spaces, and then the destination path after a space. Once done, let's check with the ls command in the destination directory, and you will see that all the files were copied successfully. Next, let's copy directories recursively. I will create three directories recursively as source_1, source_2, and source_3. -P option stands for parent, and it allows you to create a directory hierarchy, a tree of directories. Now, Let's copy the created directory hierarchy using cp-r space source directory space destination directory. -r used to say that this is a recursive directory list. Let's check the copied directory in the destination directory. Next command we are going to talk about today is move command. mv command is commonly used in Linux to rename files and directories as well as move files and directories from one location to another. First, let's rename a file with move command. Use mv space source file space and new name. Now, let's rename a directory using move command. Now, let's move renamed file to another location. Again, let's move renamed directory also to another location. Let's move more than one file to another location using move command. I will move 3 files named transfer_1.txt, transfer_2.txt, and transfer_3.txt to destination directory. Finally, I will create 3 directories called mvfile, mvfile_1, and mvfile_2, and move these directories to destination directory. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.